Hey beautiful people, let's style no closure pixie cut together. Yeah, a pixie cut that doesn't have a closure, but we can style it just using a comb. Stay tuned. All right.
Vibe with Lady welcome to my channel.
Okay, so this is style A. I just want to tell you how you can style this pixie cut, the no closure pixie cut in different ways. Okay, so style A is you comb the hair from the corner of the right eye to the left eye. Okay, so you can do it the other way around as well. The vice versa is also appropriate. You can do the same thing. So this one you can see I'm just combing from the corner of the right eye towards the other eye. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right there. And you want to get a big tooth comb for yourself. That will do the work for you. Any big tooth comb can do the work perfectly for you. So that's what we are doing. So just combing, and then you have to make sure that any style you are doing, you have to make good use of your fingers. So you have to adjust. You have to be adjusting it with your fingers to fit what you want. Okay, so you can play around with your fingers. So this is style B. So this is when we are coming from the corners of both eyes. So from the right eye and then from the left eye as well towards the center. Okay, you comb from the corners of both eyes towards the center, and you have to remember to adjust with your fingers. That is very, very important so that it can fit your desires. It can fit what you want. Yes, I'm just playing around with my fingers for you to see, and then just trying to turn the mannequin around for you to see from both sides how the style looks. Okay, so this is for a client, so I'm just trying to use to demonstrate to you. Yeah, so that's how it is. Okay, so let's see style C. So for style C, or the third style, you're supposed to go from the top of the head towards your face. Then it becomes like a fringe, okay, or a bang. Actually, let me put it that way. It looks like a fringe or a bang, and you have to remember to still adjust with your fingers to fit you, so that to get your preferable style. Okay, so yeah, that's the third style for you. So the style C looks like a fringe, and the style D is just like using a curler to give some curls like this to the hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch, comment, and share my videos. Love you all. Yeah.